Welcome to this video tutorial session. In this video, we are going to discuss Microsoft Word practical number 6. Initially, they are giving the instruction, start the blank Word document, change the left and right margin to 1.25 and type the following text. So here, first by default, what you want to do it, you want to change the page size A4. Then I want to change the margin, custom margin. So left and right 1.25. Right margin 1.25 I am going to apply. Okay. So the margin is changed. Then what I want to do it. So I want to type the given paragraph. So whatever they have given up to now, I want to type it. Okay. Then after that, we'll go with the questions. First question, format the entire document times New Roman 12 pt. So entire document, so I want to select like this way. You can select, click and drop on the text, or else from the keyboard you want to press Control and A key together, Control A. You can select entire document, then go to home, then set the font Times New Roman, then size is 12. Okay, so I already made. Then after that, change the line spacing. Second question, 1.5. So I am going back my document, selecting things together. To select the things, you want to press Control A, then line spacing. Here I will check back 1.5. Yes, line spacing, paragraph and line spacing we already discussed in the initial video. 1.5. Then third question, copy the text word processing and paste it as a title of this text. So here word processing is available. Just select one, then right click, copy. Then keep the mouse pointer here and enter, then move up. You can paste it as a title of this text. Okay, so two ways you can copy. Select, right click, copy, then right click, paste. Okay, then another way, from your keyboard, once you select, after that you want to press the Control C key to copy, then to paste the text you want to press Control B, then your text will be pasted here. Then fourth question, select the heading word processing and apply the style heading 1. So here you can see heading styles are available in the home menu. First you want to select this one, then you want to apply the heading 1 style. So already you have it applied. Then fifth question, underline the text word processing heading. So again you want to select the word processing heading, then you can underline. So just put a line. Then we'll move to the next question. Question number 6. Make the word processing in the first sentence italic and the red. So the first sentence of the word processing, you want to make it italic and red. So we'll select the first sentence of the word processing. Yeah, we have selected italic. Then text color, we need to apply red. Applied. We are moving with the question number 7. Use the format painter to copy the first sentence format to the heading basic features of the word window. The first things you want to select, then you want to click the format painter, then you need to paste these things to here. Okay, the same format you can apply it here. Then we'll move with the question number 8. Replace the MS Word with the Microsoft Word using search and replace facility. So here search and replace facility is available. Yes, here you can see find and replace are there. Just click this replace. What we want to find? We want to find, you can see here. There are MS Word, one MS Word, and you can see there are some other MS Words also available. What you want to do is you want to find the MS Word. Just copy this MS Word. Okay, fine. Then how you can replace it? This as a Microsoft Word. Okay, so find and replace. Just click replace all done. We made two replacements. So already there are some MS Word. It's automatically changed as a Microsoft Word. Some documents, there are some words you want to replace. There may be 100 or 200 pages in your document. Sometime you want to check and you want to change the word, replace the word like this way. You can utilize this facility. Then we'll move with the question number 1. Create the bullet list for the last 6 lines of the given text under the basic features of the word window format as follows. So here these lines you want to apply bullets, whatever the bullet points you need you can apply. Then 10th question, insert the image into the right side of the bullet list of the document from the internet. So here just keep the mouse pointer here, insert pictures from the online. Just type here MSW Word. Then you can have some word pictures. From this you want to play some MS Word picture. We will move with the very first one. Insert. It's not displaying. Then we can go with another picture. Just insert. It's displaying. So normally to move the picture, just double click on here, go to that web square, then you can move. It's placed. Then we'll go with the next question. 11th, add University College Jaffna as a word art at the bottom of the document. So word art, so here word arts are there. Insert word art, you can apply some word art. Okay, then you want to type. Twelfth, copy the first paragraph and paste it twice at the bottom of the page. So you want to copy the first paragraph, copy. So normally you can use the shortcut keys to copy paste. For your visibility, I'm using that menus. 2 times I have paste. Then they are giving some format. I want to change the first paragraph, line spacing 1.5, font Arial, font size 14, align justified. Line spacing 1.5, font Arial, then font size 14, align justified. It's already in the justified alignment. Then I am selecting that second paragraph, line spacing 0, Normally line spacing is 0, just go to the line space option, then you can make it, sorry, you want to change it single line. Then there is no line spacing. Okay. Font is ROD. So I think there is no rot font here. Then you can use this Arial black. Okay. Font size 12, align right. Font size 12, align right. Okay. Then 15.1, type your name at the bottom of the document and add it into the dictionary. So here I am just typing learn with Thiru. So once I type the name here, you can see here there are some red color underline. So that's mean it's wrong. That's mean it's not matched with the word dictionary. Once you added this text to you in your word dictionary, then thereafter they will not ask you, they will not highlight you this as a wrong likewise. Just right click on that, then just click add to dictionary. Then hereafter when you are typing in this word application learn with Thiru, the same PC, they will not show this is as a wrong. Okay, like this way you can add the text to your word dictionary. Then you want to apply the page border in your document. So that is the 16th question. Design page border. So box border, if you want you can apply some box borders. Okay, then whole document. Okay, so now you have applied the box border here. Then you want to save it as a practical number 6 in your default location. File, save as, browse, practical number 6. Just save. Then thereafter print preview of the document 18. So file, print. So you can get the print preview of the document. So once you click the print, you will get the printout of this document. Okay. So for the print preview, shortcut key Control plus P. Once you have pressed the key with the control key with the P key, then you normally get the print preview.